Okay, welcome back. We are on part 2 of the converting improper fractions to mixed number fractions, and I'm going to do number 16. The fraction is 66/7, and I'm going to set it up just like I set up the last problem as a division problem. Now, you don't need to do the division problem, but it is extremely helpful, especially on these larger numbers, because it's hard to hold all those numbers in your head, so why not write them down in the space provided on your worksheet. So go ahead, write it down there. Okay, remember 66, this is division, divided by 7. So 7 is doing the dividing. So here I've written it like this. So how many times does 7 divide into 66? Or how many times can I add up 7 and not go over 66? So that's what we're going to use the multiplication chart. And we're going to look at our number 7 here, okay? And we're going to look for the number 66. I'm going down, I'm going down, I'm going down. There's 63. 70 is too far. Don't want to go to 70. So it's 63, and that's 9 times, okay? So 7 goes in to 66 without going over 9 times, okay? So that's going to be my whole number, and we'll talk about that in a second, but it goes up top. And I just did it on the chart. So 9 times 7 is what? 63. And that gets written down here. You must subtract 63 from 66 to get the difference, or how much more you need to go to get to 66. So that's 3 more. I need to go 3 more. Okay. We've been doing a lot of this in our mental math in the morning to try to work our brains to do this mentally without writing it down. But like I said, I know these big numbers, so go ahead and write them down. So that is our remainder, 3. So this is where we come into our final steps. Well, what does the mixed number fraction look like? So try to do that on your own before I just give you the answer. What's going to be the whole number? I gave you a clue. What's going to be the new numerator? And then what's going to be the denominator? That's how you're looking at this, okay? So our whole number is, yes, 9. 7 goes into 6, 9 whole times. With how much left over? 3. That becomes my part of the whole, 3. And then the whole has 7 parts, so that stays the same. 9 and 3/7 would be the final answer for number 16. Now, I'm going to show you one more problem that's not on the work, but demonstrates mentally how you can finish these problems when you become better at your multiplication facts. And that's why Mrs. Paris and I are always trying to get you to memorize your multiplication facts, because as you do that, you'll be able to do things quicker and more easily. So if I were to have maybe 22 fifths, okay, I'm going to convert this without doing a division problem. I'm going to think to myself, how many times does 5 divide into 22, right? 5 times 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 4 times. If I go to 5, it's 25. It's too big. So 5 goes into 22 4 times. I can just go ahead and write my whole number as 4. Now I need to figure out how much is left. So I know that 5 times 4 is 20. The difference between 22 and 20 is 2. So that's what's left over. So that becomes my numerator. And then the denominator never changes or stays the same. So this one I just did mentally, 4 and 2 fifths. And I tried to kind of show you how I did it mentally. But that's how you would do a simple problem. This is not on your homework that I know of. Just kind of an example of how to do things mentally. Okay, good luck with the rest of the homework. We're going to continue practicing this tomorrow, and then we have the end of the unit test coming up this Thursday. All right, see you then. Bye.